So tell me when you see me, dites-moi quand vous me voyez. Toujours un délai avec breakers. Parfait. Donc box breaks de Totally Certified, numéro 22. So number 22 with Totally Certified. We will start with the random. So just give me a moment. I'm setting that up. Alright, just let me put the numbers here. One delivering. There you go. Let me just verify. If everything's okay, I just want to double check something. Alright, so we're good to go. So 3 times, 1 time, 2 times, 3 times. So make sure you see everything. So I'll copy the list and we'll see that in Excel which team you get. There we go. So let's just hope the camera is gonna focus. There we go. So Anaheim for Dominic, Arizona for Danny Shield, Boston Bruins for Jim, Jim. Buffalo Sabres Kevin, Calgary Flames Olivier, Carolina Hurricanes Jim, Chicago Phil Lavigne, Colorado et Blue Jacket Olivier, Dallas Stars Dominic, Detroit Kevin, Edmonton Dominic, Florida Phil, Los Angeles Danny Shield, Minnesota Danny Shield, Montreal Sylvain Arsenault, Nashville Dominic, New Jersey Danny, New York Islanders and Rangers Craig, so good to go, you got your team. Philadelphia Flyers and Pittsburgh Phil Lavigne, Ottawa Craig, San Jose Sean, St. Louis Kevin, Tampa Bay Craig, Toronto Maple Leaf Jim, Vancouver Olivier, Washington Jim, and Winnipeg Kevin. So let me just try to focus. Pretty much you see all the teams. I'll post the teams on Facebook so you can see your teams. And yeah, Jim, sorry, I know you ate Boston. Alright, so the team have been posted into the Facebook page of the event. So you can see all your teams. Alright, so let me just, where did I put? I just need something to open it. Where's my scissors? Alright, so no scissors. There you go. Alright guys, good luck. Bonne chance. On va souhaiter qu'on a des gros paquets. We're going to wish that we have big packs because the big packs are guaranteed with patches. Holy crap. We have 3 big packs. First time I see a box with 3 big packs. Alright guys, first pack, and I'm going to start with the tin one. Yeah, could be a hot box. And this pack is giving me a hard time. There you go. First hit, Florida. Barkov, rookie. And for Nashville, rookie autograph of Magnus Elberg. Alright, on with the big pack. I think there's two that are really ticks. This one is less tick. And there is no decoys in Totally Certified. Oh, nice. Alright, let's start with this hit. For the Boston Bruins and for Jim, Carl Soderberg, rookie number to 100. Number to 100. That's a base, that's a base, that's a base. Alright, dual patches. 1 out of 25 between Tampa Bay Lightning and the Florida Panthers. Jonathan Huberdeau and Steven Stamkos. Dual patch. So that's going to be between a random between Tampa Bay, which is... Who is Tampa Bay? Tampa Bay, which is Craig, and Florida, which is Phil Lavergne. So that's going to be a random, which I'm going to do afterwards. Alright. Second super tick pack. Alright. Base card. Number to 25 for the Vancouver Canucks, Henrik Sedin. Number to 25. Not numbered, rookie for the Buffalo Sabres, Brian Flynn. Rookie roll call for the Penguin Pittsburgh, Olli Mahata. And that's pretty nice. Just want to verify who that is. For Jim, well, Jim, you got Boston, but you got a nice hit, so that's great. So for the Carolina Hurricanes, number to 25, prime, number 8 of 25 for the Carolina Hurricanes, Elias Lindholm. Pretty nice one. And the last pack, which is extra tick 2. That's a base pack, a base card. Alright. For the Washington Capitals, number to 25, Brendan Olby. Rookie for the Ducks, Frederick Anderson. For the Florida Panthers, rookie Michael Caruso. Base pack. And who is Detroit? Do we have a Detroit? Kevin Cote. Number to 10, clear cut patch for the Red Wings, Daniel Alfredson. 10 out of 10. Not bad. Pretty nice box. 2 patches, 1 prime. So let's do the random. Oh, c'est pas game, je m'en vais me coucher. Alright, so let's do the random. Random is going to be between Florida and Tampa. So between Craig and Phil. Alright, so 3 times. 1, 2, 3. Tampa. So let me just wait to focus. C'est pas si pire, Phil. T'avais pogné une belle Nugget Hopkins et une belle Nugget Hopkins et une Yakupov. Donc, congratulations to Craig. Alright guys, so thank you very much. Have a nice evening.